How to save Instagram storage as drafts. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you need to do to save the storage as drafts. So firstly, you need to open your Instagram app and then make sure that you are connected with the internet. And this video tutorial is similar for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly, what you need to do is you have to firstly click on this plus button in the top left corner, and then you come to this page, and here you have to go to the story tab. And here what you can do is you can simply take a story, or you can record a story. You can also choose the any of the photos or video from the gallery, as you know that you can do this. You can customize this picture, or you can also customize the video. You can write the text, and you can also do this. You can also mention anyone, and after that you can click on the send to. And what you need to do to save Instagram story as drafts. So more importantly, what you need to do is you can see the cut icon in the top left corner. So you can see the cut icon in the top left corner. So when you click on this cut icon in the top left corner, then it is saying that save draft, discard, save draft, cancel. So you have to click on the save draft in the middle option, click on the save draft, and it is saying that the storage drafts is expired. So and your drafts will be permanently deleted after 7 days. So if you save your drafts today, then after 7 days it will be permanently deleted. So you have to click on the OK. And to see your drafts, what you need to do is you have to simply is you can see the images in the bottom left corner. So you can see this image. So when you click on this image, then you come to this page, and here you can see in the gallery option in the top left corner, and in the right side of gallery you can see the drafts. So when you click on the drafts, then you can see all your drafts. So you can see the drafts, and you can add more drafts, add more storage as drafts. So that's basically that how you can save a story as drafts. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate